Alright, y'all. As you can see in the title of the video, I am moving barracks rooms again. So, today I'm starting to pack my shit. I haven't got a room key to my new room yet, but I know it's gonna be some bullshit whenever they do tell us that we actually have to get out of this building. So I'm just trying to get ahead of the game. So I don't know if I did a room tour. I said I would, but I just never got around to it. But now I feel like it's a great time to do that because now I'm moving. My room is super dirty because like I said, I'm in the middle of packing, and why clean it? And why clean it? Because all the shit is about to go in a box anyway. So yeah, this is my current room, which I actually really like. I don't want to move, but I don't have a choice. So yeah, I'll show you guys when I start unpacking in my next barracks room. This is like the mud room of my room. So it's like that's the front door, and then this is the second front door. And then you walk in, and yeah, no, it's a mess. But there's a little kitchenette with a fridge and what is that? A microwave. This window, which opens all the way, like literally the glass rolls outward. My messy ass bed. And this wardrobe thing, which I guess is their version of a closet because I don't have one. And this is the bathroom. This random ass weird space, which I just use to keep cleaning stuff. This is like my linen closet type of thing. Sink, bathroom, and shower. Okay, what's up, y'all? It's me. Back again. It's approximately a week after I said I was moving. You know, typical Army, hurry up and wait. So they said I was moving time now, and time now turned out to be a week later. So here I am, back in 180. If this looks familiar, it's because it's the barracks I was staying in when I first got to Italy, the quarantine barracks, which they're not quarantine barracks anymore. My unit is moving into them currently. So, I'm just getting all my stuff in here. The first thing I did was move out a lot of the furniture. I took apart the twin mattress that they gave us. For reference, this is about the amount of furniture that would normally be in. That's my desk. I moved that in here. As of now, I don't have a roommate because I'm the only single female NCO in the company. So there's nobody to put me with. So I just put that over there for now. If I get a roommate at some point in time, we'll reassess. But for right now, I have most of my stuff in here. I'm about to put together this queen bed that I PCS'd with. I'm hoping it doesn't take up too much space in here, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna start putting that together. And yeah, I'll just kind of show you guys the progress as I begin to put my barracks room back together again. Yeah, buddy. Ooh, as you see, I just put my TV up, mounted it. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. There's my TV right in front of my bed. Nice. All right, so I'm back. I've finished unpacking my room. It took me a couple of weeks, honestly, to get everything situated, and I'm not really done yet, but I gotta film this video and put it up while I can. So, without further ado, this is what my barracks rooms look like. As you saw in the previous clip, I removed all of the furniture, everything except for that dresser I took out. I brought this queen bed with me, and the headboard and all that stuff. And just, yeah, this is it. I pretty much just moved everything over to my new room. And this is how I have it decorated. I still don't have a roommate next door. This is my closet. It's kind of a mess in here, but I have a lot of stuff. So, turn the light on. All right, so this is what we got going on. It's a good amount of space. It's good because my last room didn't have a closet at all, so that's good. And the bathroom looks the same. I don't need to show you that. Kitchen pretty much looks the same. I don't use it at all, so yeah. So this is what my new barracks room is looking like. If you guys have any questions about anything, just let me know.